ChatGPT, the new open AI platform. There is a strong possibility that you have heard a lot about ChatGPT if you have spent any time online. Everyone believes that it will soon change a number of fields, including journalism, programming, and content creation, because of how good it is at doing this. But how true is this, and what does ChatGPT actually mean? If you haven't used ChatGPT much, you might be interested in learning more about its capabilities. Is it accurate enough to write in a different human's voice? What uses of ChatGPT are appropriate, and how effectively does it provide accurate information? Here is a quick look of some of the things it can currently do, along with some specific information that we should be aware of. But before anything else, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our videos so that you will stay updated for more videos like this. ChatGPT, what it is and how it works. The free chatbot ChatGPT, which is accessible online as a research preview, is said by OpenAI to enable the system to learn from actual use. ChatGPT can answer even the most basic inquiry, such as show me healthy dinner ideas or what's the best way to answer the tell me about yourself question in a job interview. But it can also carry out more difficult activities such as writing songs, poems, and essays. You may ask it to create a holiday card, manage your to-do list, or even create a letter. The artificial intelligence is trained using a sizable volume of human-written content from the internet, including discussions. However, since ChatGPT is unable to connect to the internet, it occasionally returns incorrect information and only has a small body of knowledge due to its amazingly human-like writing and assuredness in answering questions. ChatGPT gained popularity overnight. In the first 5 days of the program's launch, according to Broxman's tweets from the beginning of December 2022, it attracted a million of users. What exactly can you do with ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a powerful artificial intelligence AI chatbot that can help you automate conversations with customers, potential customers, and other stakeholders. Here are 5 ways that ChatGPT can assist you in expanding your business. First, with ChatGPT, you can generate leads by conversing with potential customers and providing them with pertinent information about your products and services. By doing this, you can expand your company and increase your revenue. Second, customers' experiences can be made more personalized by using ChatGPT to offer them material and suggestions that are specifically catered to their interests and preferences. By doing this, you might boost client relationships and build customer loyalty. Third, ChatGPT can be used to automatically handle consumer complaints, provide technical support, and react to questions about products and services. You can do this to save time, money, and satisfy more customers. Fourth, customer data analysis is made possible by ChatGPT, which also offers insights into clients' behavior. By choosing wisely how to enhance your goods and services, you can develop a deeper understanding of your clients. Fifth, automate marketing campaigns. ChatGPT may automate marketing efforts by providing tailored communications to clients and prospects. By doing this, you might increase engagement and purchases. Notwithstanding, it can answer questions. But wait, there's more. If you think that ChatGPT has the ability to displace Google, you are on the right track. In reality, Bing is about to release search improvements that make use of ChatGPT as a research tool. Users can ask ChatGPT to supply information and deliver answers to straightforward inquiries like in Google search. Additionally, ChatGPT can go one step further and help translate complex ideas into straightforward ones that make sense. It's important to remember, however, that the data ChatGPT generates is not always trustworthy, so it should be used for this purpose with extreme care and caution for the time being. Next to that, it can write stories, poetry, and music. Some users are experimenting with ChatGPT as a tool for creative writing, with intriguing results, along with short stories on any subject. The bot can also generate synopses for longer works, script ideas, poetry, and even song lyrics. It can even more accurately imitate the writing style of contemporary writers, poets, or musicians. It can produce nonfiction content. Of course, ChatGPT may also be used to create original nonfiction content on just about any subject you can think of. This holds true even for difficult themes, which has motivated many to use it when producing essays, news, stories, web material, and other pieces of content with a similar theme. Similar to when utilizing tools like ChatGPT to hunt for information that must be correct and accurate, it is crucial to take the time to confirm any information the bot offers before using it. Remember that ChatGPT frequently provides incomplete or inaccurate information. Moving forward, it can also do math and write code. What else does ChatGPT excel at besides writing? It can perform mathematical calculation, write code, and spot problems in code that has already been written. It has the capacity to reduce complex algebraic issues into easy to follow procedures that anyone can understand. If you are having trouble, ChatGPT can also write or explain various types of code or help you identify errors in existing code. The bot actually performs exceptionally well in these areas, which can save those who work in computer science, mathematics, and related topics a significant amount of time. The ChatGPT impact on the IT world. The impact of ChatGPT on the IT world is immense. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way people interact with computers, making them more intuitive and user-friendly. It can be used to automate customer service tasks, allowing companies to provide better customer service with fewer resources. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to create more natural, engaging chatbots, allowing companies to provide more personalized customer experiences such as ChatGPT experiences. As such, ChatGPT is having major impact on the IT world and is set to be revolutionize the way people interact with computers. The impact of ChatGPT on marketing. Spend much time in any online conversation where people are discussing ChatGPT, and you will soon find out that not everyone is necessarily singing its praises. Because of how advanced it is already become, it is already revolutionizing a multitude of different industries, digital marketing included. Whether or not this is really a good thing remains to be seen. Some marketers are already leveraging ChatGPT to help them with tasks like content generation and market research. Here's a closer look at the current potential future impact of ChatGPT on marketing. Search repercussions. Bing wants to compete with Google by creating its own ChatGPT based version of the conventional search technique, given that Google itself was so concerned that it is issued to ChatGPT Code Red. It only makes sense to be concerned about what will happen to Google and traditional search engines in general. The introduction of ChatGPT is almost certain to bring about significant changes in how people search, how Google works, and what it takes to be on the cutting edge of digital marketing. When it comes to interest exposure, right now, Google is the supreme authority. What is ChatGPT? And can it really replace human content producers? Even if artificial intelligence based systems like ChatGPT do show some potential, their future role will be as tools meant to enhance what people already do. Which view do you hold? Please share your thoughts with us in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel and would like to see more videos like these, be sure and not forget to subscribe and click the like button. We are so excited to have you and see you on our next video. Thank you for watching.